Okay guys, I'm going to show you this one first. And I have to pay attention to is it worth the cupboard space. Look at this. Where have you been all my life? That one wasn't a good one, but usually it is. But it's like, where have you been all my life? And it's not very big. But my sister wanted to see this. So I can see, look how clean that does it. And that's not even attached, but onto the next. You can get these done so quick. And this is my third quart of strawberries that I've been going to record, and I just keep sneaking and eating them because this is so easy. So there's that. Now I'll get these done and wash them and do this next one. And this is small enough I can put it on a shelf in the kitchen as a decoration. So I just got it to match my kitchen. Look at these garnishes. And you just go until the cup fills up, or until you're done, whichever. You gotta admit, where's it been all your life? This whole bowl is done, garnished, everything in less than 5 minutes.